Hi, Scott doing at MarineMax in Louisville, Texas. We're going to take a look at a 2025 model year Harris 210 cruiser. So the 210 is the 21-foot version of this boat. It rides on 21-foot logs. It's really closer to a 23-foot boat, so it feels a lot bigger than what it really would lead you to believe it is. This one's the CS floor plan. So we do a lot of CSs in 21-foot because it's really the only one that you have the backrest back here that you can sit on both sides at the same time. So because space is a little bit more of a premium on a 21-foot boat, I really like this floor plan for the 21s because it just allows you to sit a little bit more. But even though it's a 21, we can also get this boat in the SLDH, which is this one next to us with the twin captain seats. And we can also do it in a straight SL, which is the third boat down, which is the L bench with the flip-flop backrest. So I kind of like this floor plan though, because you do get storage underneath all of your seats all the way around, but it's got this almost hatchback-like storage back here in the back that opens all the way up. You get all this storage down the floor, and they were smart enough to give you storage built into the backrest, and it works really, really well. Built-in cooler underneath the outer part, and this boat does have a trickle charger on board, so it does have your battery tender built in. So whenever you keep the boat stored at your dock, on a trailer, wherever, just throw an extension cord on it and leave it plugged in. Double USB port back here. One of them's a USB, the other's a USB-C. So it allows you to keep all of your electronics charged. This does have the stern tow bar on it. 150 horsepower, so this is going to be upper 30-mile-an-hour pontoon boat. It'll absolutely run really, really well, and does have stern safety fencing. It's important to note that if you're going to sit back here while the boat's moving, you got to have stern safety fencing. So any of the brands you see without it, not going to be legal to ride back here. One of the reasons a lot of brands don't do their safety fencing from the factory is because theirs will come up and run around here, which is kind of silly because you can't sit back on the back of the boat. But if you see a lot of them out there without any stern safety fencing on it, that's probably why they're trying to hide the fact that you can't really sit on the boat legally without it, and you can't really sit on the boat comfortably with it. So that's kind of why they do it. This one has an oversized 12-foot bimini. We can also add an additional forward bimini if somebody wants to, but I mean, I'm 6'2". The bimini is really, really tall on board this boat, which I'm a big fan of. New for this year is they've removed some of the lower back roll back here from the backrest. I like it when you're sitting up against it. Allows a little bit more airflow, keeps you a little bit cooler. Also gives you a great tray here on the side just to throw your cell phone in, because you do have, again, these double USB, USB-Cs. Anywhere you see the cup holders all the way around the boat, you're going to get the USBs built in. In order to keep the cost down, this one was ordered with the Lowrance Eagle 5. So done really well. Get you everything you need: GPS, downscan, chart plotter, fish finder, and also has your regular analog gauges built right into the dash. Clarion stereo on board this one. Really good stereo. It's plug and play, so if you wanted to add subwoofer amplifiers, it'd be pretty easy to do also. So great boat in a smaller package. This one you can generally pick up for under $65,000. So great little pontoon boat for us. So if you have any questions about this or any other pontoon boat you see online, pick up the phone and give me a call. I'd love to talk to you. My cell number is 301-501-7123.